Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I go by the name Lollipop. Yes, I've got an update for you about Kunle Adeyanju, the Nigerian man who is on a mission from London to Lagos. So he had a major setback and in Mali after one of his wheels got damaged. So the biker association in Mali, they rode for many hours to get him a replacement. In fact, that's a very much love. So our brothers in Mali, we say thank you, we love you. So there can be right now no more stopping, non-stop. Nothing can stop him now as he has continued with his journey as the biker association in Mali have supplied him and given him a new tyre for him to continue with his journey. So we say thank you to the Malians. Should I call them Malians? Okay, thank you Malians. Thank you Malians for, if you don't get it, then forget it. If you don't get what I just said now, forget it. So thank you for supplying our dear brother a new tire for him to continue with his journey right there from Mali. We say thank you. And then Brother Kunle Adeyanju, we are expecting you. So may God protect you, keep you, guide you all through your journey in the desert. Amen. We are waiting for you, bro.